Hey YouTubers, this is Alex from Lexi's Toy Loft. Very quick video in relation to the Darth Vader Tie Fighter. As you know, this is can be a bit of a pain with the battery mechanism, which should create a light and sound effect like so. I couldn't get this one working initially, but I found a little trick that has got this one working fine, and it's really easy. So as you can see, this one, the light only comes on, which is good because it shows that the connection's working. I just can't, for some reason, the volume effect's not working. So with the other one, all I did was give it a little shake. I don't know if it's going to work with this one. This is kind of the first time I've tried this, but we'll give it a go.
You seem unsettled. Perhaps you're not as strong as the Emperor thought.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
There you go, man. Okay, it's a bit weak. But it's getting there. Okay, it took a few more shakes, but as you can see, this is back to working.
Impressive. Most impressive.
It's getting louder and louder. So I am really pleased with that. Okay, so this was a really quick video just giving you an idea on how you might be able to fix your sound effect on your Darth Vader TIE Fighter. I'm assuming it probably works on the Interceptor and the standard TIE Fighter, etc, etc. Obviously I don't condone damaging vintage toys, so be really careful when you shake it. I just tried this on 2 Darth Vader TIE Fighters that are in my shop, and it worked for both of them. So little shake, and after a while it seems to go really well. I'm sure it won't work for everybody. Be really careful because you don't want to drop it or damage it, so you know, be really careful, don't shake it too hard. But I hope this video helps you and helps get some sound effects working on the Darth Vader TIE Fighters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Check out my eBay store. We're on Instagram, Lexi's Toy Loft 12. Thanks very much. Bye.
I was but the learner, now I am the master.